Welcome to Audacity Lesson 3. Today we're focusing on the fundamental skill of importing audio files. Want to bring your sounds into Audacity? Importing MP3s or WAV files is super easy. Let's get started. First, we'll look at the traditional way to import audio using Audacity's menu system. In the Audacity application, navigate to File, then select Import, and finally click Audio. This will open a file browser. Simply select your desired audio file and click Open to bring it into your project. Now for the quicker method, importing audio files using the drag and drop feature. Start by locating the audio file or files you want to import on your computer's desktop or within a folder. Then, click and drag your selected file or files directly into the open Audacity window. It's that simple. Regardless of how you import, Audacity places each audio file on its own separate track, giving you full control. Notice how each imported audio file creates a new horizontal track. This is essential for professional editing. The multi-track view lets you work with different sounds simultaneously, making mixing and complex editing much easier. Now you know how to import and layer sounds. In the next lesson, we'll start diving into editing your new audio track.